Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to get verified on Twitter or X. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open up the interface of the app. And now what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just click on your avatar icon at the top left corner. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna see many options right here. Just go ahead and click on Premium. And if you subscribe to a Premium, you will be able to have access to all the premium features. You're gonna see right here, ads for you, none, reply boost, edit posts, and post longer videos, longer posts, and much more. And you can get to be able to have that badge. If you go ahead right here, verification and security, you're gonna have the check mark, encrypted direct messages, ID verifications, SMS two-factor authentication, and you will have all these features after you subscribe at X Premium. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.